There is a simple way to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars, all for free and no prior experience needed. But make sure to watch the entire video because I will show you exactly what you need, and it's not a degree. So as you can see here, this person just earned money, and this person just earned money, and this other person just earned money as well, by simply doing this method. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide that will make it easy for you so you can start earning money now. Welcome to Make Money How-Tos, where we show you real ways you can make money online. Subscribe, and together, let's travel to financial freedom. The first thing we need to do is to go on YouTube. Now I want you to search for funny animals. This is the first niche you can try, but I will tell you two more later on that others haven't tried yet. Now let's click on the video and check it. If it's just one clip, you can use it. However, if you want to get a bigger collection of videos right away, make sure to download a compilation type of video. This way you can just keep trimming the video clips so that you can have a lot of videos in hand ready to be posted. I will also show you how to do this. Now once we've chosen our video, let's copy the link and then go to this website where we will be able to download the video for free. As always, I will put all the links you need in the description of this video. Now let's paste the link and download the video. If the video you've chosen is just one entire clip, you can go ahead and upload it right away into Rumble, just like this. Keep watching if you want to know how to upload it properly, because this is just basic, but not all that you need yet to get views. So let's keep going. Now, if your chosen video is a compilation video, follow my steps. Go to Google and search for Canva Video Maker. Canva is a free online website for designing. However, they do also have a paid version, so don't accidentally buy something you don't want. But as long as you don't put in your card, it won't be able to take money out of your bank. Once you're on Canva, you will need to sign up and make an account. But trust me, you'll really want to make an account anyway, because Canva is a very powerful platform that almost anybody can use to make lots of money. So make sure to watch out for our future videos on that. As you can see, you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or even an Apple account to make things faster. I already have an account, so let me just log in. Now let's click on video. We will need to cut parts of our cat video. You can do this once a day, every day, or even all in one day, depending on you, just so you'll end up having at least one piece of good footage every day ready to be uploaded. Let's name our project Funny Cat 1. Now let's just drag our video from our laptop's folder and drop it into this bar on the side. This symbol here means our video is being uploaded into Canva, so if you have a big video, you might need to wait a while. Once our video has loaded completely, the symbol will be gone, and we can now drag and drop the video onto this blank canvas. Let's drag the corner to resize it and make it fill the entire space. To start cutting our video, all we have to do is click on this scissor symbol, and again, just drag to trim your video. Let's drag this side, and this side. And there we go, it's really easy. Now let's click on download so we can get our video. Again, you have to wait a bit because this means that Canva is rendering or loading the file. But don't worry, once it's done, it will automatically be downloaded into your computer. Now that we have our video ready, let's go back to Rumble and upload it. By the way, we need to treat it like a YouTube video. You have to put a good description, good title, put keywords and tags that will help people find your video easier. Here's an example. If it's a video about funny cats, then put funny cats in the title or in the description or the tags, or both. Both would be best. Also, if you can, don't forget to give credit to whoever owns the video. You can also put a disclaimer in your description saying, over here, simply put an email where they can contact you, but don't use your personal email. As for the video title, you can get inspiration from the title of the video you got from YouTube. Make a similar one, but not too similar where it's just copy-pasted. Put a bit of effort into it at least. Before we upload our video, for us to get even more views, a good thing to do is to remember that Rumble is a Canadian online video platform, so most of their web visitors will be from Canada. Therefore, it'd be best if you check the time difference between your country and Canada's and then schedule the video to be uploaded at a time when people in Canada are actually awake. This can further increase the chances of your videos getting seen. Then let's choose this. This will allow the video to be seen by people only in Rumble, not YouTube. Another thing you can do to increase your video's views is to share it on other platforms, on social media, to your friends, anywhere else. Your time is important, so I need to tell you now before you try this method that unfortunately it is not available in India, Pakistan, Indonesia, and Vietnam. But don't go just yet because I will be telling you an alternative way you can earn money through video posting in this video. The difference between Rumble and YouTube is that unlike YouTube, you can make money with your videos right away. You don't need to be monetized. Totally different from YouTube, where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to apply to be monetized, and then wait a while and then get monetized and then start earning. But Rumble allows you to earn right away. If you live in a country where Rumble is not available, what you can do is partner up with someone who lives in a country where it is available. Look for friends online. However, please do make sure that it's someone you can trust. It would be best if you could partner up with someone close to you, such as a family member or a friend, a close friend. If it's just a random person on the internet, please do be careful, as you could get scammed. One of the best things about working with someone else is that both of you could divide the work. One could download the videos, one could cut the videos, and post them on different times of the day, whichever is best. The only difference is that you do need to split the profit, in comparison to working alone where you get to keep all of the profit. So it's up to you whether you would rather have more profit with less time or more time but less profit. If you're going to try this method with Rumble, remember to stay consistent. Easy money doesn't exist, at least in the beginning. You still have to put the work and the time. But if you think these methods won't work for you, subscribe because we've got a lot more videos coming that will help you start making money online, especially on the topic of posting videos.